today finds me on the western coast of the big island of Hawaii. And I'm here, interestingly enough, at one of the sites of the first interaction between people from Europe and the Polynesians who originally colonized these islands. So this beach here is volcanic rock. Much of this island is volcanic rock. So it's black rather than white. Supposedly these currents are dangerous. But behind me is apparently an important religious site for the Hawaiians. But across the bay, here where I'm looking, well, this is the bay here where Captain Cook came, the British captain, in the late 1770s, and discovered these islands for Europe. Europe didn't know about these islands beforehand, and Hawaii was terra incognita. It was also not an understood place. So after interacting with the islanders, Captain Cook did what many European commanders did when they encountered islanders in the Pacific, and got himself killed. So that was in 1779, during the height of the Revolutionary War. The Hawaiians, not yet part of the United States, did their part, taking out a British sea captain. So, now I'm sure that it's totally unrelated events, right? But it's kind of interesting how history unfolds. And the sunshine is just beautiful here. And now I'm going to go for a swim, even though supposedly it's dangerous. There's other people swimming too.